It seems like any time we enter a stadium to watch James Conner run the football, we meet somebody new. Somebody with their own cancer story. Well, on Saturday night versus the Indianapolis Colts, it was nothing different. This time it was about 37-year-old Jonathan Smith. While Mr. Smith wasn't actually at the game because he's home fighting for his life in end-stage colon cancer. He did, however, have a wish for this game, that his two young sons be there in person to watch Conner play. The family, along with their aunt, had a chance to be on the field for pregame. They were hoping to get up close for just a brief moment to meet James Conner. Well, right after warm-ups ended, Conner did what he always does. He spotted them in their Conner jerseys, came to the sideline to let him know that their family had his support in this very difficult time. To Mr. Smith and his wonderful family, all of us who know James Conner send you a personal message that no matter how tough the fight, we all look for James for inspiration and we never give up. We wish you the very best and want you to know that you're in our prayers.